Let f of x is the following rational function. Find the x and y intercepts of the graph of y equals f of x. Okay, so to find y-intercept, set x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, we have y is 0 minus 3 over 0 minus 4, which is 3 over 4. So from here we know that 0, 3 over 4 is the y-intercept. Now to find x-intercept, let's put y equal to 0. So we have 0 is equal to x minus 3 over x minus 4, and from here we get x equal to 3. So therefore 3, 0 is the x-intercept, and the answer is C. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram ABCD with a vertex. So imagine that the parallelogram is something like this. ABCD, and the perimeter is exactly the sum of all distances from A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. And from each of these line segment, we can use a distance formula to find the distance between any of 2 points. So the distance from A to B, is square root of 14 minus 1 squared, 13 squared, plus 4 minus 4 squared, 0 squared. So it is 13. The distance from B to C is equal to square root of 17 minus 14 squared. So 17 minus 14 is 3. 3 squared plus 9 minus 4 squared is 5 squared. 9 plus 25. 9 plus 25 is 34, so this is square root of 34. And in fact that's enough. Why? Because by the property of parallelogram, this line have the same length as that line, and this line has the same length as that line. So the perimeter will be twice of this plus twice of that. So perimeter equals to 2 times of 13 plus 2 times of square root of 34. So 26 plus 2 times of square root of 34. So the answer is E. Next problem. If the GGMC Corporation produces X kilograms of gadgets, then their revenue in dollars is given by that function. What is the maximum revenue and how many kilograms of gadget? And again, here, this function is a quadratic function. So finding a maximum revenue is the same thing as finding the y coordinate of the vertex. So basically this problem is about finding a vertex. So the x coordinate of the vertex is minus b over 2a minus 800 divided by 2 times 100, 200. Oh, that is, we need to be careful here because this quadratic function, oh I'm sorry, nothing wrong with this. So be careful that a is negative 0.5. Okay, so 2 times negative 0.5 is negative 1. So x is 800. And the y coordinate, it just plug in this 800. So r of 800 is 100 plus 800 times 800, 800 squared, minus 0.5 and half, 800 squared. So here 100 plus, this is 800 squared minus 1 half 800 squared, 1 half of 800 squared. So 100 plus 6400 divided by 2, which is 3200. So this is 3300. Okay, so what is the maximum revenue? Let's see again. So X kilogram of gadget, then the revenue in dollars is given by that. Okay, so the maximum revenue is $3,300, and the quantity of the gadgets is 800 kilograms. Let us again review. What is the maximum revenue and how many kilograms of gadgets should be manufactured? So the maximum is attained when X equal to 800 kilogram, and the maximum revenue itself is 3,300. Next problem. Let f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. Find the average rate of change of f of x from negative 5 to 9. When x changes from negative 5 to 9, the value of f also changes from f of negative 5 to f of 9. And the average rate of change is the change in the value f of 9 minus f of negative 5 divided by 9 minus negative 5. So f of 9, 3 times 9, 27 plus 2 is 29, minus f of negative 5, 3 times negative 5, negative 15 plus 2 is negative 13, divided by 14. So we have 42 divided by 14, which is equal to 3.